What is up, my fellow YouTubers? John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to create, sorry about that. We're going to show you guys how to set up a bowline knot, an overhand, and a arbor knot. Stick around. All right, ladies. So this is in dedication to the Girl Scouts of America, as well as in dedication to our troop number 65105 here in my town of Santa Paula, California. So basically, the first knot that we're going to show you ladies how to do is obviously the most easy and most basic knot that you can ever do, and that is the overhand knot. So all you're going to do is you're going to wrap your line over your knot, over your loop here, and then you're going to pull your tag and pull, and voila, this is what you call your overhand knot. Now the next knot we're going to show you how to do as well is what's called the arbor knot, and I actually call this knot the crybaby knot. And the reason why I call it the crybaby knot is because when the knot gets tight, especially if you have either weight or if you're pulling on the knot on the knot really hard and really taut, what's going to happen is that it's going to get tight. It's also going to get, and it's very hard and cumbersome to basically take away and unhinge. So what I'm going to do to make the arbor knot, or aka the crybaby knot, I'm going to take my line, fold it down in half, and I have a small loop right here, and my tag end is going to be toward the end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this loop and go over the two lines. I'm going to go underneath and then pull, and voila, you have your arbor knot. Now again, I don't want to pull it too tight because I still want to be able to use this line, because otherwise what I'll have to do is that if it gets too taut, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut it off and then I lose line. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel this, and again, this is bank line. And the next knot I'm going to show you is actually one of my favorite knots that I use all the time in survival and bushcraft, and that is, and camping as well, and that is the bowline knot. So the bowline knot is very simple. I'm going to hold on to my tag to my end here, and I'm going to make a loop just like that right here. So here's my loop. Now the tag end is going to go inside the loop, and then I'm going to go over the main line, and the tag end is going to go through the loop, and then I'm going to pull, and voila, there is your bowline knot. And with the bowline knot, if you want to take the end of your rope, you can pull inside. You've got yourself a nice little lasso, and then you can also wrap this one around the tree, and you can put the tag end through the loop and pull it nice and taut up against your tree. So this is the first start of the 3 most basic knots in survival and camping and bushcraft. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also for all my other viewers out there, please remember that this video is going to be for kids as well. So please be kind in the comments to all the kids that wish to learn a lot about these knots and these loops. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Now go outside, have an adventure.